So last class we configure it in Jenkins server. So there is a small mistake we done. So this is the localhost 8080. So which job we configure, and sonar some job we configure it. Let me open that job name. You can easily understand. So everything same only. Only extra I added one slash. Extra we added one slash. So what is that one? Which job? Sonar pipeline or anything. We can take it declarative pipeline also. If we click on here, same this script and all everything we need to add one extra step only. So no need to do anything here. So here no need to do anything. Go to pipeline. Go into pipeline. So here, right, so we added our extra one stage, sonar analysis, and with SonarQube env, and we given whatever name we passed in our configuration section. So go to dashboard, go to manage Jenkins, and so go to system, configure global settings, and so here we configure sonar server, right? So first we will configure sonar server. Still it is deleting. Okay, now go to here, search sonar, alt F, sonar. If we search sonar here, if we search sonar here, so here we need to give, so no need to give 9 up to that slash, right? Just we can give, this is the default. See here, so default is a local host, or we can use IP address. Don't give that one. I will show you once it is deleted, or not. Mm, mm, mm. Okay, download sonar. Okay, now let me extract. So same story, let me extract. This is sonar, right? Just extract it. Go to here, 7-zip, extract here. Okay, I am extracting here. Now let me run same story only, how it will work. So meantime, I'm going to delete this one. You don't want, right? Delete that one. Apply, save. So now we need to generate one, what is that? That token ID. It is extracting, and I need to configure same steps here. Same steps here. So let me copy here. Okay. Sonar Cube, Maven project. So Maven, just I given so web app. Okay. So select Jenkins pipeline, copy and paste it. Now go to here. Already we have that script. I want to copy that script. We can take anyone. So Java or whatever pipeline you did, just take that one. Which one, test or anything? I think here also I configure. Nothing is there. Sonar declarative pipeline, parallel web scripted declarative. Okay, go to configuration, copy same thing. So I am not going to select that one. Up to I am selecting here. Paste it. Control C. Go to here. Just paste it. And extra this one, and we need to add this one. Okay. So I hope everything it is working fine. Same existing script only. I'm not going to do anything. Let me check whether it is build success or fail. Whether it is success or fail. Okay. Now go to click on this build number, and everything working fine here. Okay. So it is compiling Java classes, is generating Maven package and all. Now go to here. Once extraction is done, now what you need to do, guys? So go to here, and go to lib directory. Sorry, not lib, and go to bin, and go to Windows. This one, right? Okay. Now start it. Okay, run as administrator or authoritator. Okay, that's it. Now Sonar server is running. Now how to access it? So it is loading, up and running. It is loading plugin also. Just minimize it. So no need to do here anything. Minimize. Now let me open. So our okay build is success. Go to here. Now localhost. Now localhost port number 9000. So this already we done yesterday class, last class. Again we are reiterating. Okay. Just wait. So everything working run. Loading plugins and all. It will take time. First time, right? Now, so here anyone any doubt, guys? So this is our script, existing script only. I am not going to do anything. Same script, pipeline, agent and all. This is the source code. This is the source code. This is the compilation. This is the I call it Maven package, and this is the deploy. Right now I am not going to deploy anywhere, right? If you want to, we can remove also. I am not. If you want anyway, I keep it. Anyway, I commented this line. Next, I am going to add so one more stage. One more stage. So I want to generate code quality. Okay. So I want to static analysis and all. So how to check it? So now this is the starting SonarQube. We are accessing SonarQube server. Once that is done, we need to generate that. What is this? Token ID. This is the I deleted existing setup and all. Newly I am setuping again. Okay. Now once that is done, log into default username password. You know, right? What is the default username password? Admin only. Okay. Now this is the login and just login admin. Just login admin. Now how to generate token ID, guys? So already last class, right? Go to administration or go to account or go to so administration or go to the account settings or here security tab. Under security tab also we can give token name. So last class we seen, right? Go to administration, go to security and go to what is this security and here users and click on the token and it is asking token name. Okay. So for example, I given sonar test token. I given whatever you want, we can give sonar test. Okay, sonar test token. We can give any name, generate it, and copy this. Don't forget, copy this token ID and keep somewhere. Okay, so copy this token ID and keep it somewhere. Wherever you want, we keep it somewhere. Okay, so copy this token ID. I am keeping somewhere. Okay, this is my token ID. That's it. Here don't do anything. Here don't do anything. Okay, now go to your Jenkins server, go to dashboard, go to manage Jenkins, go to system configuration, how to configure sonar server in Jenkins and search just sonar, right? So here click on the add sonar, click on the add sonar, give any name, that is your wish, whatever you want we can give. So for example, I given DevApps. Okay, I given DevApps and server URL. So server URL. Okay, this is your server URL. Same, this is also your server URL. This is also your server URL. Copy this one and paste it URL and remove slash. That's it. Okay, remove slash. Okay, now token ID. We need to add token ID, right? So apply, save. First time it won't come. Apply, save. Once this is saved, once this is saved, again open same page. Manage Jenkins, system, global, and sonar. Okay. Now go to here, click on add, click on Jenkins, and give any name. What is this? Secret file, right? Secret text, and so secret text name. Already I saved, right? Token ID. Copy this token ID, secret text. This is my secret text, and paste it here and give any name. Whatever you want, we can give it. Okay. So this is the Java token, Java Maven token. Java hyphen token. I given some name. Whatever name we can give it. Identification purpose only. So this is Java project token. This is the Java project. Okay. So you can generate many tokens. we can generate many tokens. So specifically I am using Java. Just add it. That's it. Now click on drop down, and where is our Java project token? Select this. That's it. Apply. Save. This part okay, done. Anyone any doubt guys here? Clear? Sridhar, Srinagar, Sudhir, clear?
Clear, clear. Yes, sir.
Okay. Now what I need to do? Go to job. Where is our job? This is my job name. Where is my job name? Sonar Maven project. So now we don't know, right? So how to go to configuration section and go to pipeline. You don't know how to generate sonar. Click on the pipeline. Select. There is a one option is there with sonar. Where is this? With SonarQube environment, we select this one, and so don't select anything. Click on generate. That's it. Click on generate. Copy this script. First add one more stage, right? Same stage. Copy one more stage. Same thing. Very simple only. Okay. Paste it. This is the SonarQube. Give name, and we can give. First I am testing, and just paste it. Paste this one. Sorry. Control Z, and here copy this one. Control C. Go to here. This is only one line. Paste it. Once you paste it, and so here pass we need to pass that SonarQube server name also. What name I given guys? DevOps. Which name I given here?
Yes.
DevOps. Okay, that's it. Remaining story same only. Under this we need to add bat. Okay, mn clean package. Up to here, we need to give, if you want to get a sonar information, sonar colon sonar. This is the extra thing. That's it. Sonar colon sonar. Now what it will do? So it is generating sonar related information and all static analysis and all, right? Whatever you discussed as of now, everything it will generate. That's it. See here only with the SonarQube env and all. Now if you go to here projects, now we can't see anything, right? So let me run this job. See here, mn clean package sonar call. This is not mandatory. Not mandatory. If you want to, we can give at least any one. Directly we can use package also. Anyway, I'm cleaning existing, and just I'm running sonar colon sonar. That's it. Anything missing? Make sure that this name match with the go to system. Go to system, and check what name you given here. Same name we have to pass here, otherwise it won't work. Okay, so not same name, right? DevOps. Same name. This name should be pass here, otherwise it won't work. So click on here, configuration, go to pipeline. Same name, whatever name we passed there, same name we have to give here also. DevOps. That's it. Okay, DevOps. Apply. Save. Now build. Now check it whether it is pass or fail. If we have any errors, we'll see. Now see here, it is running sonar colon sonar. You see, it is running sonar colon sonar, and the same thing, and it is passing. See, loading plugins, loading rules detected, load everything. So now it is analyzing. So entire see, so quality profile. What is the initializing? It is generating XML file. So everything build is success. Now see here. Now if you see here, these are the extra things. What is happening here? So now these are the extra things. See here. Now see here, sonar colon sonar, and see loading global settings, and so this is the where it is using system 32. These are the cache information and all, and see here if you settings here, this is your project, and so it is target sonar. Under target sonar, loaded quality profiles, and so detected Jenkins, and also it is finding some rules, indexing, and quality profile for Java, quality profile for JSP, quality profile for XML file based on your project. Okay, I have very small project, right? And also see here what is this sonar Java and how configure it will work. Everything it is done, it is loading one source class file, but real time it is taking more time generating this information and all. And once build is succeeded, if you go to your SonarQube server, go to project, now we can see one project, which repository we configure, maven web application. Now see here how many bugs. I don't have any bugs. One vulnerability, I have one vulnerability, and code smells 6 is there, coverage 0, I don't have any test cases, duplications. So like this everything we can track here, we can check here. Now clear guys, anyone any doubt here? Sudhir, clear? Now I configure. So what is this project name? Whatever I name
Yes.
given here, right? Maven-web application. Maven-web application. So this already I configure here. If you go to your pipeline, so if you go to your pipeline, under this pipeline, and we can check here. Go to pipeline. This is my repository. So Maven-web application. This is my Java project. So for this project, so this is the information. So see here, if we click on bugs and all whatever we want, we can check it. So we can see what is the quality gateways and what is the reliability, securities, code coverage, how much you want. We'll see one under. Now as of now, anyone any doubt, guys? If it is clear, mostly in interview purpose, they are asking so these two things, what is the quality profile and what is quality gateway. These are the mostly remaining. Also we can we can also, this is the projects, in real time we can see many projects here, we can see many projects here. Right now I configure only one job, right now I configure only one job, right now I configure only one job, one project we can see. But if we come to real time, suppose if we have many jobs, many projects, we can configure that projects and all we can see here. So we can find bugs, vulnerability, code smells, coverage, duplicates. This is total project related information, and based on this, developers working on that. Okay. Now this is the issues. What are the issues? And what you see here? Right now in code there is some problem. They are using some get method, post method. These all are taken care by developers. You don't worry. You don't worry. So they will take care and they will fix that. These are the some of deprecated methods. See here, all are deprecated. What is deprecation means? Deprecated method means old methods. You know, right? Deprecated. Remove this deprecated along with the attribute. See, this project so long back I implemented, right? So that time, so this methods available. Now there is alternative methods available. So we have to update. That is saying like. Now these are the rules. What are the rules? Right now, see here. These all are the rules. These all are the rules, and all rules by default. So these people already they provided many rules available. See here, how many rules available as of now? 2392 rules available. If you want to, we can customize these rules based on your project. These are the rules. These are the default rules. See here, equal, how it will work, and what is the request mapping, which method, and what are the methods you want to use, what is init, what is assembly. These all are the rules. These all are the rules. So if you want to, we can use default rules, or if you want to, we can customize these rules. I don't want this many rules for my project. I want to use only specific rules for my project. So that case we can filter also. We can add only limited rules. No need to use these many rules. Now 2000 plus rules available, right? If you see right side top, no need to use all rules for every project. That is based on our requirement. Okay, we can change it. We can change it. Now, so if you go to profile, so here this is the main. What is for quality profiles? Already you know, right? This is the set of rules. See here, quality profile are the collection of rules. These are the rules. How many rules available, guys? 2392 rules available. These are the default rules. For my project, do you want to use all rules or you want to customize? అర్థమవుతుందా? So these are the rules. Okay, so project related rules. These are the what are the methods and what is the variables, how to use those and all. These are the default rules. So now this is my project. If you want to, we can customize the rules also. We can apply this project, or if you want to, we can use all default rules also. That is based on project requirement. Clear? Anyone any doubt? Now clear, Srinath garu. Clear? Now if you see here, am I audible or not?
Yes, sir. Audible.
Okay, okay. So this is very, very important. Quality profiles. So interview also most of the people they are asking only these two guys. Quality profile, quality gates. So what is quality profiles? Just remember one line answer. Quality profiles are collection of rules to apply during an analysis. Okay. Now these are the rules. Now see here. These are the many rules. So how many rules as of now? 2000 plus rules available, right? Now see here, if you want to, we can use see for each language there is a default profile. All projects not explicitly assigned to some other profiles. So for every project there is a default profile available. If you want to, we can modify. If you want to, we can modify. So see here, if you want to create your own profile, if you want to create your own profile, there is a right side, there is one button, default, create new. See here, for C language, for C++, flex C, and also C Go language, Java. For Java, see here, one profile. This is the default profile. This is the default profile. So on our way. For JavaScript, there is a one profile. So for every language, default profile, one profile is available. If you don't want this profile and if you want to use your own profile, so that case we need to create your own profile. So that case we need to create your own profile. Now see here, click on create profile. Now it is asking profile name. We can give any name, devapps or maven, web app profile, and which language. For which language you want this profile, guys? C sharp, Java or HTML. There is many languages available. See here. Now got it. So it will support this many languages. Select Java and so parent. If you want to, this is the default. This is the default. It is coming from default. Okay. Now so create profile. See here, profile is created, one profile is created. So what are the bugs? 108 bugs, and inactive 12, and vulnerability 36, code smells 206, and inactive. So what you want to activate, what you want to unactivate. Now see here, these are the default. So now I created one profile, so I given some inherit from the built-in. So now if you see here, change the parent, change the projects, whatever you want. So now we can change it. Now activate more. Now see here, so now these are the default, right? Now which one you want to use, which one you don't want. So all are activate. So if you don't want, we can see here, I don't want this method. See what is this you don't want. For example, I don't want this one, close something, switch statement should not be nested. Okay, I don't want this one. See here, this is blocker, whatever you want, just activate it. Now see here, I want only this one. Now whatever like this, now add it. File should not be empty, I want this one, activate. Now line should not be too long, I want this one, activate. This is the customization. Number variable mass should, click on more. And so public method should not contain the selector arguments, whatever you want. Select actual values, number patterns, I want this one, activate. 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 Just I given randomly a few things I am activating. Whatever you want, you can select it. Now see here, if you go to project, this is our project, right? If you go to, see here, I given one name. What is that name? Maven. Where is that one? quality profiles. That is saved or not? Alt F Maven. Here, see here, Sonar, default parent is Maven, that is SonarWave, and I created this one. So these all are the default profiles. If you want to, we can create our own and whatever we want. So see here, 40 seconds ago I updated, and so whatever you want, we can change it. If you want to set a rename, whatever you want, we can do something. Okay. Now see here, this is now whatever you want we can change. Now see here, activated default permissions. If you want to change permissions also, we can change it. Just now I created one profile for testing purpose. What is the, I enabled something, I activated a few things, I deactivated a few things. So those and all we can use it. If you want to activate more, you can click on here, and whatever you want, so we can do it here. What can you want, we can do it. This some duplicated methods also is there. This is based on our requirement. Mostly we are connect with your team members, that is team lead or manager. And that case, if you want to create your own profile, and what are the own profile, that case we need to create it. We can create it. Now this is a project. See here, this is your job, this is your here. Now if you go here, issues, measures, code, activities, administration. Now if you want to attach this one, we can also attach here. Go to here, quality profile, and where is this Maven, right? Maven, and somewhere we can see one option. Where is that option? Or else go to the document, already we noted. Go to Jenkins, already I sent this document, just try it. So profile, right? Whether we added or not, I don't know, check it. Profile. Here that is not added. Now go to here and go to profile, and select, this is only. We can attach this one also, profile. This is a profile, this is my profile, and use never, I want to use it. So activate more rules, assign, delete, backup, compare, copy, activate more rules, I don't want. Where is this last time of previous batch? Change project. Okay, here, change project, Maven. Now see here, apply this one and just close it. That's it. Now see here, I added this project. So now this profile I added to this particular project. So if you want to add this profile any particular project, so go to here, where you see here, change, right? Change here, search your project, assign to that particular profile to particular project. So here with I want to add this profile to Maven web application project. Here, Sudhir. So this is the option. Here also
Yes,
they
sir.
added. Earlier there is different option. Now they updated. We can change projects. Whatever we want, we can add. Suppose if we have one more project, that's that project name, add it. Now we can add this profile to this particular project. So this is very important. Enter also many people. What is profile? Profile is nothing but a collection of rules to apply during an analysis. Okay. So here whatever you want, we can activate and we can deactivate fields. Whatever fields you want. See, for each language there is a default profile. All projects not explicitly assigned to some other profile will be analyzed with the default. So If you want to, we can create your own profile and we can assign. By default, so there is many profiles available, and whatever you want, so we can. If we click on here, so these are the rules. These many rules. These rules and all we can activate in our own profile. We can activate and we can deactivate. Now same thing, if you go to quality gateway. Quality gateway means now see here what is the code coverage. This is very important. This is also project specific, guys. For example, this is my project Maven web hyphen application. This is a project, right? So for this project, so what are the quality gates you want to set? What are the quality gates and all you want to set? See here, if you go here quality gates, only project measures are checked against the thresholds. So developer, they are developing, they are implementing classes, they are writing test classes and all. So code coverage on new code. If they written any new code, how much code coverage, guys? I need maintain 80%. If we click on here, so if we click on here, so see here by default and duplicate lines on new code only 3%, greater than 3%. And maintainability, see nothing I didn't set, and reliability and securing, so these are the default. Okay, suppose if you want to create a own quality gateways, generally in real time we are maintaining our own quality gateways, project specific, project specific. If you want, this is the default sonar default gateway, so they are maintaining, so these are the conditions. I don't want these conditions. For my project specific, I want to create my own. Click on new and give the quality gateways. For example, maven web gate. See here, for project specific I want to give my own gateway. Click on save. Now click on save. Now see here, only project measures are checked against the thresholds, directories and files are ignored. Okay, now see here, right now I don't have anything. There is no conditions. There is no conditions. Now click on add condition. Click on add condition. These are the metrics, guys. So real time we are maintaining like this only. If we click on here, there is many conditions available. There is many conditions available. Now whatever you want we can add it. So now see here, code coverage. What is first line? I need code coverage. So coverage on new code. Coverage on new code. And so is less than which percent? For example, my project specific I am giving 90%. If my code coverage less than 90%, automatically your code will fail. Now got it? అర్థమవుతుందా? Clear? See here, I am giving a
Yes,
own
sir.
conditions. I am giving on own metrics. So code coverage on new code, coverage on new code. So less than 90%, it will fail. Add. See here, now add condition. Now whatever you want. For example, next line coverage. For every line coverage less than 80%. I want to fail this condition. Now see here, I add condition. Now see here, duplications. So I don't want duplicate blocks, duplicate files, duplicate lines percent I am using. So I don't want duplicate. So if duplicate lines more than, for example, 2%, so greater than 2%. So duplicate lines are 1%. I don't want any duplicate. More than 2%. I want to fail this I want to fail my job. Add condition. Now see here, whatever you want we can. There is many conditions available. Issues. So issues greater than 5%. Okay, I want to fail my job. Next, add condition. Now see here, there is many things available. Functions, files, directories, functions. So is greater than. Okay, so for example, this is 50%. These all are the based on your condition. Whatever you want we can give it. See here, there is many conditions available. Whatever you want we can add it. So function securities and bugs, new bugs, and classes and comments percentage also. So less than comment percentage. So for example, less than 2%, I want to fail. That's it. See here, like this we can create your own quality gateways. This is your quality gateway. So this so for my project specific, these are my rules. So comments I don't want less than 22%. For code coverage I don't want 90%. Less than duplicate lines greater than, if it is greater than 2% fail. Issues if it is greater than 5% it will fail. Line coverage less than 80% it will fail. This is my conditions. Now clear? Anyone any doubt?
Clear.
So like this, real time we are following same pattern. We are following same pattern. We are not using default one. Mostly we are maintaining, we are creating our own quality profile. We are creating our own quality gateway and assign it to project. So these rules and all which project? This is my conditions, right? So this condition, this quality gateway assigned to which project? Search the project name. See here, which project you want to assign. That's it. Clear? Anyone any doubt here? So like this
No.
real time, we are maintaining our own quality gateway and own quality profile. Profile is nothing but a set of rules. What is profile? Profile is nothing but a set of rules. In interview also more 99% people are asking only these two. What is quality profile? What is quality gateway and how? So what is quality gateway, quality profile? This is a collection of rules to apply during an analysis. What type of rules you want? If you want to, we can give default rules, or if you want to, we can create your own rules. What is quality gateway conditions? So what is line coverage? What is code coverage? What is line method coverage? And duplicate lines, comments. There is a lot of conditions available here. Whatever you want, we can use it. How to create? How to create one profile? So there is a new create. See here, quality gate create. If you click on create, we can give name and whatever you want and click on save, and these are the conditions. Whatever conditions you want, we can apply. See here, and how once the condition is ready, and just search the project, assign to that project. That's it. Clear, guys?
Yes, sir.
Now
Yeah,
see
clear.
here, these are the languages. It will support, see here, HTML, Java. If you click on Java, what is target Javax? If you want to integrate any JUnits also, we can add it. There is many options available. But interview purpose, these all are ones, right? Based on requirement, we are modifying. Okay, so these are the projects. First tab is projects. Here only we can see everything. What are the projects I configure in my SonarQube? Everything I can see here. And see here there is a problem. Code smells, there is a 6 is there, and this is 0, this is 0. And they based on this, again developer modify the code. They are rebuilding the code. Again they are checking here. And these are the issues. What are the issues in our project? So these are the duplicate methods mostly I used. This is a old project, and so now I need to update this method. Anyway, it is working, but it is saying like this is a deprecated means this is a old. Okay, no longer we are going to use. That is the reason we need to update. And these are the rules. So they say there is default rules available. There is a default rules available, and so these rules, if you want to, we can modify for every project, every language. There is a default rules available. See here, this many rules available. This many project languages also available. And if you want to, so mostly quality profile, a set of rules, a collection of rules to apply during the analysis. So if you want to, we can create your own profile, and we can attach this profile to particular project also. So this and all directly we are not going to create in real time also. Who knows Java and manager or team lead or who is handling Java project, with the help of that guys, we are creating our own quality profiles and we are attaching to that particular project. And quality gates, what is conditions, metrics, right, what type of metrics you want to maintain specific project. So what is the metrics, so what is the conditions for your project, so that case, so these are the quality gates. Okay, quality gates. So if you want to, in interview they are asking, you are using default quality gates or you are customized, you can say customized. We are not maintaining default quality gateways, we are created own quality gateway and we attach it to my particular project, specific project, even profile also. Okay, so this is a default. Okay, and so we can create one profile, we can activate, we can deactivate, and this profile we can attach to specific project. These are the administrations. If you want to create users, there is many options. If really if you are admin, we can play with this all these options. Otherwise in real time we can't see these options, they won't give access to see, to modify, to create this. But if you want to create, see here, users we can create, groups we can create, global permissions, permission templates. If you want to create any user, see here, create new user, DevOps user. Okay, we need to configure all these fields. Password, we can set password. So like this, we can add, if you want a new user, see here, I created one more user. So for this, do we have any token? For this user, do we have
No,
any token? No, but
no,
real
zero.
time for every user, they are creating one token for accessing purpose. Otherwise we cannot access directly. Anonymous user, if you don't want to log in anonymous users, and that case we need to generate one token and assign to this user, that's it. So if you want to, we can create groups also. See here, multiple users, see here, these are the default, these are the administration users. So whatever you want, we can create our administration groups. If you want to create one group and project specific, for example, this is the one group name, project specific. For example, ABC group. ABC is the project name, ABC group. And we can create group, and whichever permissions we are assigning to this group, and so same permissions apply to the particular users also. The particular users also. So these are the basic things only common. So we can easily play how to create users. There is nothing already right, in Jenkins how to create users, and same Linux also how to create users. Same way in SonarQube, if you want to create users groups, and how to change permissions in Linux also, right, command prompt, chmod, chwarner, where we played many commands, that is Linux. But if you want to create users, and if you want to give permission to particular users in SonarQube server, so this is the option, go to security, users, groups and permissions also. If you want to, we can enable, if you want to, we can enable, or whatever you want we can assign based on your requirement. This is not specific to every project, every user, every group. So whatever they want, which permission you want to provide to particular users, and which permission you want to give particular group, so those and all we can edit, we can modify here. So these are the projects. So these are the projects. Right now, how many projects? See here, this is my project. What is the key name and when I created? So everything we can. So these are the default system related information. Currently, which version you are using? What is the ID? And this is the marketplace. If you want to install any other plugins also, we can install plugin. So there is other plugins. If you want to connect with Azure, if you want to connect with any other right, so tools, so see here, so these are the already Git is installed, and also Git authentication also installed. If you want to install, these are the marketplace. If you want to install any plugins, if you want to install any plugins, if you want to configure any other tools, okay, any packages, so these are the marketplace. So see here, just install it, just install it. See here, Sonar Go, what is you want, Sonar with Java analysis, some other plugins also we can use it. TVS SVN, if you want to work with SCN or YML, there is a lot of plugins available. Whatever you want, we can install and work with that particular plugin. But this is and all, so no need to install all plugins, no need to do anything. and based on LDAP servers. If you want to work with delegated authentication to LDAP servers, I want to users and all connect with LDAP servers, and see already it is installed. And see here, this is Corona Pack. There are a lot of plugins. This is the reports purpose. Okay, already it is installed. Groovy. If you want to install Groovy language, enable scanning of the Groovy source files. Just click on install. That's it. So error while downloading plugin Groovy version 1.8. So this version is deprecated. We need to update. We need to upgrade, and we can install. 1.0 is deprecated. So which version we are using? 7.8, right? SonarQube. I think 7.9 or 8. 7. So 7.9. So just download a bit latest version, and we can install all these things whatever you want. So but enter purpose, mostly they are asking these two only. Just remember, practice, noted one or two lines. What is quality profile in SonarQube? What is quality gateway in SonarQube? And how to configure in Jenkins servers. How to configure SonarQube server in Jenkins. So where we can configure, guys? Go to configuration section. Go to manage Jenkins. Go to system configuration. Under there is a one option. What is that option? Sonar. If you go Sonar, it is asking so Sonar URL, so and configuration name, Sonar URL, and authentication token. Authentication token. Clear, guys? Anyone any doubt? That's it. Only two steps. First, you need to configure SonarQube server, and second step, you need to configure SonarQube server in Jenkins server. Next, you need to create one job, pipeline job, and add this pipeline job. Add this extra one tag. What is the tag name? Sorry, extra one stage. SonarQube. Whatever you want, we can write it. See here, added stage name SonarQube. And here also we can see whether it is passed or failed. See here whether it is passed or failed. See here, this is the one stage, compilation stage, artifact, deployment stage, and SonarQube stage. So like this we can update whatever we want. I hope you got it right. Anyone any doubt here? Clear?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, so only we need to add this one, and sonar colon sonar, everything it is taken care by sonar. This is one way. Other way also we can configure manually also, but anyway, right, pipeline. So that is the reason I can configure via pipeline only. Okay, so that's it. Try to practice. This is very simple only. First you need to set up SonarQube server, configure Sonar server in Jenkins server, create one job, try it whether it is working or not. That's it. So now almost so Jenkins almost we cover. Now Jenkins part is done, and if anything missing, we can ask, we can explain also. Now that's enough for interview purpose or real time also. And so next class I will start so any new tool. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So that's it.